shouldn't be here.
Neither should you.
You've got a job to
Is that what you're calling this? Killing all these people isn't gonna bring your family back. We found something. A chance. Maybe.
do. No.
No, what?
Don't give me hope.
I'm sorry I couldn't give it to you sooner.